Okay, it is Tuesday. No, it's Monday. Damn, missed a whole day. And we are working on finishing the paint and buffing and all that stuff on the 79 Trans Am. We just got done working with the motor. We're charging the battery right now. Let me do the motor. We've got to clean this up. I just washed the car down so I can figure out where all the spots are, and we'll go from there. Now, on another note, or fun note, if you look, it's a little up high, which means I got to make a little divot, but I've got the washer motor underneath there. I found the old washer motor. We'll finish that and get that going. Yeah, buddy.